Good morning, everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to be here today to introduce you to an incredible journey into the world of data science. Today, we'll be exploring Mastering Data Science, a comprehensive MOOC. This course, led by Professor Imran Khan from SKUASDK, is designed to give you the essential skills and knowledge to succeed in our data-driven world. Over the course of this presentation, I'll walk you through what you can expect from this program and how it can transform your understanding of data science. Let's get started. Now, let's take a closer look at the core objectives of this course, which we've titled Unlocking Data's Potential. Essentially, our goal is to build a strong foundation, both in theory and in practical application. We want to equip you with the latest tools and techniques so you can extract meaningful insights from a wide variety of datasets, whether they're small or massive. Speaking of large data, we'll specifically focus on developing proficiency in handling big data, which involves working with complex algorithms designed to turn huge amounts of information into actionable knowledge. Another key area is problem solving. More than just identifying patterns, we aim to sharpen your ability to approach real-world challenges, especially in agriculture and environmental sectors, where data-driven decisions can truly make a difference. And finally, we'll emphasize the importance of collaboration across disciplines. Combining statistical skills, computational methods, and domain expertise in teamwork is essential for tackling complex problems today. Overall, these objectives are aligned with our broader theme of empowering you to harness data effectively in diverse and impactful ways. Welcome to this course overview, where I'll introduce you to the core of what this MOOC offers. Think of this as your gateway into the world of data science. It's designed to give you a solid foundation, whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your skills early in your career. Throughout this course, we'll cover all the essential topics that form the backbone of data science. You'll learn how to analyze data effectively, build statistical models, and apply machine learning techniques to solve real-world problems. Programming will be a key focus too, helping you become comfortable with the tools and languages used in the field. Data visualization is another critical area we'll explore, because turning data into insightful visuals makes complex information much easier to understand and communicate. The course balances theory with practical application, so you won't just learn concepts, but also get hands-on experience working with actual datasets. We've designed this for beginners and early professionals, so no prior experience is necessary. You'll be guided through lectures, assignments, and even a capstone project, which will challenge you to apply everything you've learned in a meaningful way. Ultimately, this course aims to equip you with the skills to extract valuable insights from data, helping you make informed decisions and advance your career in data science. It's all about turning data into knowledge, and I'm excited to have you on this journey. Let's take a closer look at the course structure, which is designed as a modular learning journey. This approach helps us build a solid foundation step by step. We'll start with an introduction to data science, exploring its evolution, real-world applications, and the complete data science lifecycle. Understanding this big picture sets the stage for everything else. Next, we dive into Python and R, two powerful tools in the data scientist's toolkit. We'll cover data types, functions, and essential libraries like NumPy and Pandas in Python, as well as ggplot2 for visualization. These skills are crucial because they form the backbone of data manipulation and analysis. Then we move into statistics and probability. Here, we focus on descriptive statistics to summarize data, probability distributions to model uncertainty, and hypothesis testing to validate our findings. These concepts help us make informed decisions based on data. After that, we explore data visualization, which is all about telling stories with data. We'll use tools like Matplotlib, Seaborn, Plotly, and ggplot2 to create clear, compelling visualizations that reveal patterns and insights. Following that, we cover data wrangling and exploration. This involves cleaning messy data, handling missing values, and applying feature engineering techniques to prepare data for modeling. Clean, well-understood data is key to accurate analysis. Then we delve into machine learning fundamentals. We'll learn about supervised and unsupervised learning, including techniques like regression, classification, and clustering. These methods enable us to develop models that can predict and uncover hidden structures. Finally, we look at the theory of calculus and a capstone project. Basic calculus provides the mathematical foundation for many algorithms, and the capstone allows us to apply all these skills to solve real-world problems using domain-specific data. Overall, this structured journey ensures you develop a comprehensive skill set, connecting theory with practice, and preparing you for a successful career in data science. All right, let's talk about what you need to get started with this course. First up, mathematics. You should have a solid understanding of 12th grade level math, including basic algebra and some statistics. These fundamentals are really important because they'll help you grasp the concepts we'll explore later on. Next, computer literacy. You don't need to be a tech expert, but knowing how to navigate a computer and use basic tools is essential. This will make it much easier for you to work through the course platform and access the materials without frustration. And then there's programming. If you've had some experience before, that's a plus, but it's not a deal breaker. We'll go over all the programming basics you need to understand along the way. The key is to be willing to learn and stay curious. Overall, these prerequisites are about setting a foundation so you can focus on learning new skills and concepts effectively. Remember, this course is designed to be accessible and will support you through every step. Now, as we come to this final learning outcomes slide, I want to highlight what you'll have gained by the end of this course. First, you'll have a solid understanding of data science fundamentals. This means grasping core concepts that are applicable across many fields, from business to healthcare, and knowing how data-driven decisions can make a difference. Next, you'll develop proficiency in coding with Python or R. This isn't just about writing lines of code. It's about being able to analyze data, create visualizations, and interpret results effectively. These skills are crucial for transforming raw data into meaningful insights. We'll also focus on applying statistical techniques and basic machine learning models. This will enable you to handle real-world scenarios, from predictive modeling to identifying patterns in complex data sets. It's about making your analysis smarter and more accurate. Another key point is data preparation and cleaning. Often, messy data is a big hurdle, so mastering techniques to clean and prepare data efficiently will save you a lot of time and frustration, ensuring your analysis is built on a solid foundation. Effective communication is also emphasized. Being able to convey your findings clearly through compelling visualizations and reports is just as important as the analysis itself. It's how you make your insights accessible and actionable to others. Finally, we focus on data-driven problem solving. The goal is to equip you with the systematic approach needed to tackle complex, real-world problems, making decisions based on evidence rather than intuition alone. Overall, these outcomes are designed to empower you to become a confident, capable data scientist who can turn data into impactful solutions across any domain. Now, let's take a look at the logistics of this course, which are designed to support your learning journey effectively. First, the duration of the course is 13 weeks. That's roughly 3 months of focused, intensive study, but what's great is that it's self-paced, so you can really tailor your progress to fit your schedule. This flexibility means you can spend more time on topics that need it and move quickly through those you're already familiar with. In terms of credits, this course offers 3 NCRF Level 6 credits. That's a solid recognition of your efforts, and these credits are acknowledged for both academic progression and professional development. Overall, this structure is intentionally designed to give you a comprehensive learning experience without feeling overwhelming. It balances depth with flexibility, ensuring you gain meaningful skills and knowledge that can really advance your career or personal growth. Now, let's look at how our program truly bridges the gap between education and industry through strong partnerships and real-world impact. Our curriculum is carefully designed to align with national skill development goals, and the latest industry standards in data science. This means what students learn here is directly relevant and immediately applicable in today's job market. We've incorporated insights from leading practitioners across diverse fields like agriculture technology, health informatics, financial services, and environmental monitoring. This cross-sector input helps ensure our training stays current and practical, preparing students for real-world challenges. On the partnership front, our department has signed memorandums of understanding with prestigious institutions such as CDAC, CU Boulder in the United States, and Stellenbosch University in South Africa. These agreements open doors for collaborative teaching, joint research projects, and student exchange programs. Such collaborations not only enhance the learning experience, but also provide our students with invaluable global exposure and opportunities. Overall, these industry linkages and partnerships reinforce our commitment to delivering a program that's not just theoretical, but deeply connected to practical, impactful applications worldwide.